Struggling with stuck bike bearings or using tools that just don't work? The wrong tool can damage your hub and waste your time. Whether you're a cyclist or a mechanic, having the right bearing tool makes maintenance faster and easier. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the best bicycle hub bearing tools that offer precision, durability, and reliable performance, so you can fix your bike like a pro, quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. Number 1. LEBYCLE MTB Road Bicycle Hub Bearing Removal Tool. The LEBYCLE MTB Road Bicycle Hub Bearing Removal Tool is a practical and reliable solution designed for cyclists who need efficient bearing removal without damaging their components. Built for both mountain bikes and road bikes, this tool features a strong and durable construction that can handle stubborn and tightly fitted hub bearings with ease. One of its key advantages is its precise removal mechanism, which allows users to extract bearings smoothly while maintaining the integrity of the hub. This is especially useful for regular maintenance or repairing worn-out bearings. The tool is designed to be user-friendly, making it suitable for both professional mechanics and DIY bike enthusiasts. Its compact design also makes it easy to carry and store, which is ideal for home workshops or mobile repair setups. The high-quality materials ensure long-term durability, even with frequent use. Overall, the LEBYCLE bearing removal tool is a dependable choice for anyone looking for a simple, effective, and durable solution for bicycle hub maintenance. Number 2. TOOPRE Bicycle Quick Release Through Axle Bearing Press Set. The TOOPRE Bicycle Quick Release Through Axle Bearing Press Set is a versatile and professional tool kit designed for precise bearing installation and removal. It supports both quick release and through axle systems, making it compatible with a wide range of bicycles. A key feature of this tool is its smooth pressing mechanism, which ensures bearings are installed evenly without damaging the hub or surrounding parts. This helps improve performance and extends the lifespan of the bearings. The kit includes multiple adapters, allowing it to fit various hub sizes and configurations. Constructed from durable materials, the tool provides stability and strength during use, ensuring consistent and accurate results. Its ergonomic design makes the process easier, even for users with limited experience. Overall, the TOOPRE bearing press set is an excellent choice for those seeking precision, versatility, and efficiency in bicycle maintenance tools. Number 3. LEBYCLE Professional Hub Bearing Extractor Puller Tool. The LEBYCLE Professional Hub Bearing Extractor Puller Tool is designed for users who require strength and precision for demanding repair tasks. It is ideal for removing hub tower base bearings and handling more complex maintenance work. This tool features a robust construction that delivers strong pulling force, allowing users to remove tightly fitted bearings without excessive effort. Its stable design minimizes the risk of slipping, helping protect delicate components during the process. The precision engineering ensures accurate alignment, improving efficiency and reducing repair time. It is especially suitable for professional mechanics or experienced users who frequently work on bicycles. The tool simplifies difficult tasks and provides reliable performance in workshop environments. Additionally, its durable materials ensure long-lasting use, even under heavy workloads. Overall, this extractor tool offers a powerful and dependable solution for effective bicycle hub bearing removal. Number 4. Aluminum Alloy Bicycle Bearing Installation Tool Kit. The Aluminum Alloy Bicycle Bearing Installation Tool Kit is designed to provide smooth and accurate bearing installation for various bicycle components. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it offers a balance of strength and lightweight handling. This tool is ideal for central axis systems, suspension frames, and hub installations, ensuring proper alignment during assembly. Its precision design helps prevent damage to bearings and surrounding parts, improving overall performance and longevity. The ergonomic structure allows users to apply even pressure, resulting in controlled and efficient installation. Suitable for both professionals and cycling enthusiasts, this toolkit simplifies complex tasks and improves accuracy during maintenance. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport when needed. Overall, this installation toolkit is a practical and reliable choice for ensuring correct bearing placement and maintaining optimal bicycle performance. Number 5. Bicycle Bearing Installation and Removal Toolkit. The Bicycle Bearing Installation and Removal Toolkit is a complete solution for cyclists who need both installation and removal capabilities in one package. It is designed to work with wheel hub bearings and star ratchet systems, making it highly versatile. This kit includes multiple adapters and components, allowing it to fit different sizes and configurations. It ensures smooth and controlled operation, reducing the risk of damage during maintenance. The design is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced mechanics. Its durable construction supports long-term use, even in demanding conditions. The toolkit helps simplify repair tasks, saving time and improving efficiency. The compact layout also makes it easy to organize and carry. Overall, this toolkit provides a convenient, efficient, and reliable solution for maintaining bicycle hubs with precision and ease. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.